Welcome to Nature First Remedies, your trusted guide for natural wellness. Today, we're making a simple, powerful homemade herbal tincture for cholesterol support, using time-tested natural ingredients. If you're looking for natural remedies for cholesterol, this DIY tincture combines herbs known to support heart health and manage cholesterol levels. Ingredients you will use: 1 tablespoon dried hawthorn berries, supports cardiovascular health. 1 tablespoon dried garlic, natural cholesterol-lowering properties. 1 tablespoon ginger root, improves circulation and reduces inflammation. 1 tablespoon dried turmeric root, anti-inflammatory, supports liver and heart. 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, boosts circulation and metabolism. 1 cup vodka or apple cider vinegar, as your tincture base. A clean glass jar with lid. Step 1. Add all the dried herbs into your glass jar. Step 2. Pour the vodka or apple cider vinegar over the herbs until fully covered. Step 3. Seal the jar tightly, shake it well, and store it in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. Shake the jar daily. Step 4. After steeping, strain the tincture through a fine mesh or cheesecloth into a clean dropper bottle. Start with 1 to 2 dropperfuls per day, diluted in a small glass of water or juice. Always consult your healthcare provider for personal guidance. Why these herbs work. Garlic, shown to help lower LDL cholesterol and improve heart health. Hawthorn, supports blood vessel strength and heart rhythm. Turmeric and ginger, help reduce inflammation linked to arterial plaque. Cayenne pepper, boosts circulation and metabolism. This homemade tincture is a great way to take control of your heart health naturally. But remember, diet, exercise, and regular checkups are just as important. Like, share and subscribe for more natural health remedies. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before using herbal remedies, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com.